So this task about geography in the news, I want you guys to link up with one other student in the class. Now, it'd be brilliant if you could link up one person who's in school and one person who's remote learning, or your teacher could decide on who is going to link up with who to complete this task, okay? So what I'd like you to do is to open up the other slideshow that has been shared with you on Google Classroom. Do this. Okay, so you've got this slideshow shared with you, which has the same slide at the start with the same information, okay? And then there are many other slides here. Now, what I want you to do is, using your own device, research 2 news stories. Now, you could do that as one each, or you could do both news stories together with different facts, pictures, graphs. So 2 things that are going on in the news right now, somewhere in the world, that you can put onto your slide. So everybody will be working from this slideshow, okay? And what you'll see is each pair, each student, putting together their resources of geography and news on each slide. So, for example, yours might be slide 2, or your teacher might give you slide 5, and you just work on that slide and you produce a resource that can be used by other students, while the other students are producing resources that can be used by you, okay? So then we'll have a nice slideshow of probably 11 or 12 slides. It's easy for me to just duplicate that to make another slide if we need to do that, okay? So we'll have a full slideshow of lots of different stories in the news. Now, there may be some crossover if you don't research too deeply into geography in the news right now, but you know, you could be looking at forest fires, you could be looking at the Caribbean hurricane season, you could even go and see what earthquakes have gone off in the last few days. You could see if there's been any floods anywhere, and there's going to be these events happening all the time in all different countries, okay? So you can find a unique little story or a big one that affects a whole country, and you can do your slide on that. All right, so all you need to do is, let's go back to that, okay? So 2 geographical issues happening right now, and you're making an interesting slideshow of it, okay? An individual slide. Okay,